So I guess this is the so-called Hurricane Ana that's supposed to be hitting us today. We got a lot of rain last night, and in the early morning hours. It's the 28th of October today, so this is sort of the extent of it. They said heavy winds, 50 to 70 k's here, diminishing by noon, so I don't feel very good today. I'm actually home feeling a little achy, so just resting today. I just wanted to step off the front porch and just show you what it's doing here on the north end of Salt Spring Island. See the eucalyptus trees blowing, bit of blue sky up there. It's pretty mild out. I guess it's probably around 14 degrees Celsius, something like that. It's very nice out, but not very windy, that's for sure. And the eucalyptus bark falls off these trees at this time of the year. I do like a good windstorm. Pretty sheltered in here too, my garden. See, the palm's not even moving there. The eucalyptus trees are tall, they're about 100 foot, so catching just the tops. Wind's catching just the tops of them. It's actually a beautiful, beautiful late October day here. I better get back in and rest. I don't feel that hot today. Trevor was off yesterday from school. He's feeling kind of sick himself, so. Anyway, I just thought I'd let you know what it's doing out here. Not a whole lot, despite what they may be saying on the Weather Channel or the news. That's the remnants of Hurricane Ana, so it was rain that we got and not the winds. Unless they do pick up later, but I kind of doubt it. If they do, we'll come out and shoot a little video.